Hey everyone, Not Too Dead here with a unboxing from Southern Specialties. Third order I've placed with the guys. Great company, really like working with them. If you haven't checked them out, go check them out sometime. See what they got. They got a nice lineup of stuff on their site. But yeah, let's get in there and check this out. Got a couple items. So I was working with the guys on this one there and sent them a rough idea and a drawing on some stuff I was thinking about, and just different profiles. I've really been liking their titanium Bogotas, so I've got quite a few of those already. This one is actually the stainless steel one. I didn't have a pin style, like a hook one. All the rest were rake style ones, so got quite a few of those already. And then their other profiles, like I said, all in titanium. Really enjoying that. Got the small titanium Z-bar there. And then they hooked me up with this other custom set, which had a couple of the blue ones in the anodized, and I thought that was really cool. And I was like, you know what? I got to reach out and get some more of these. So talked to Aaron, and he sent me a picture of some custom profiles, things like that, some different unique ones to try out. And he made a set, and that's what we're going to see today. But just real quick, want to show you some of these, which this is where all that led up to, or this order came from, was that inspired me. I really liked the blue anodize on the titanium. Stuff like that. The etching on there is just beautiful. Lock Junkie's got a similar set as well that these guys made them in the bluish purple. It's really stunning. Go check it out if you haven't seen his as well. So all right, let's go open this up. Oh, got a sticker there. Gonna have a nice bundle of those here. All right, we'll set that off to the side. All right, so this is something I've been wanting for a while. Been wanting to get a leashy, and super excited to finally have one. I've got a lot of padlocks and a lot of master locks and stuff, especially since I was just, messing with all that not too long ago as a beginner, things like that. So figured might as well get one for what I have, to practice on and stuff like that. So, and see how I like it. And if I like it, go ahead and pick up some more. But there's Mr. Leashy himself in there hiding. Oh, there we go. Super cool. A little tool. That's awesome. Really been wanting to get one of these. So excited. What? What is that? No way. Haha. No way. Southern Specialties, that's awesome. He didn't tell me he was going to do that. That is super cool. Put the Not Too Dead etching on the back for me. That just made my day. Wow, that is so cool. That is so cool. So yeah, see, you guys could get one from them with a custom logo or something on the back to rep your channel, or just, yourself, your name, your locksmith and company, whatever. That is so cool. Wow. I can't wait to give this a try. That's so cool. Boop, 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 boop. Like some spy tools again. They're pretty neat. I'm going to just set that right there. That is so beautiful. Too cool. Alright, and then this one is the custom stuff I was mentioning before. Sorry, I'm obsessing over the etching on that one. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, sweet. One of their jackknife tools. Super cool. He must have tossed that in there. I did not order that. Well, I will check that out. Give that a little review. It's funny, I don't even know how to work it. I've never had a tool like this. This is my first one. That's super cool. Oh yeah, there you go. That slides right out. I want to say there's some kind of lock or something to this to get the picks to release. Well, we'll do a better review on that, but that looks super cool. I'm going to have to learn some more information about it, how to utilize everything. Hey, that's got to do something here, this lever. Oh, there we go. Duh. All right, yeah, I wanted to show you guys. Oh, that's too cool. That is too cool. I feel like I want to rake something. What do we got? What do we got? Unboxing and raking real quick. Let's see. Yeah. That is awesome. Cool. I've been seeing Stu have a lot of fun with his he got from those guys. And yeah, he's been having a blast with it. Cool, cool. In the Jackknife Club now. Alright, and then we got this here. I thought it was bigger actually. Whenever I see them and stuff, I always thought they looked a lot bigger than that. That's nice compact size. I really like that. There we go. Wow. All right, let's get to the meat and potatoes here. Yeah. Oh, I love it. Peeking through the side. Yeah. Sorry, guys. I'm excited about this one. So, what we went with was just a regular hook for single pin picking, because I didn't have any of those for the Bogota in titanium, just in stainless steel. So, thought that would be a cool one to have, seeing as I got a nice little collection of them. And then he did up a couple of my favorite profile that I've been loving from them, the spoon style, kind of like a katana. I think this thing is gonna slay. And he hooked me up with a couple of those, so I have a backup. That is super cool. Super, super cool. All right, let's check out the next couple profiles. And these are all unique, kind of different from what you would normally see. And I'm so excited to give these a try. All kinds of really unique profiles there. And no duplicates, you know, between this kit, the couple in here, you know, it's got the saw style, and then like the snake. All the other style ones in here, there's no duplicates. So that is like even cooler now. What's that? That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 different profiles in the titanium Bogotas. Sweet. All right, well, really wanted to share that with you guys. I've been stoked, and we've been talking about this and working on it for just about a week. And the finish on these is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I hope the camera is capturing that. I really do. But yeah, huge shout out to Southern Specialties. Great company. If you do order with them, don't forget the discount code. 10% off, no limit, lifetime code. Pick me, and just do it just like that with the capitals and a space in between. Worked out great every time I've placed an order. Got some more stuff coming from these guys as well, and gonna continue to work with them. I really love the products, the custom stuff, the extra touch. I mean, that was super cool of them to do. Great company. Well, you guys have a good afternoon, evening, morning, wherever you are. And until the next one, take care. If you like this, feel free to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Have a good one.